So the objective is we calculate mean the last. So now we will be computing about the computing the weighted mean. So according sa formulang to, the real values is x sub I times wi. So multiply lang natin tong dalawang column na to. Pag, pag columns by columns and i-add daw natin itong value lahat na to. So we can get that from 4 in wait, lagay pa na tayo ng total. So let total W is equals to 0 and let column 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 total is equals to 0. So basically is gagawa lang tayo ng for loop dito. So, and I is equals 0, I is equals to x dot length is plus. So and so i-multiply natin. So column total is equals to i-multiply natin yung column. So the first element in x multiplied by the element in w and i-plus natin sa total. Then yung total w is plus or equals lang sa wi. So console log is column total divided by total W. So, tingnan natin. Mhm. So, yun. Tama naman yung sagot ko. So, what can we learn from this is shock. X first float. So, di pa rin gumana. So, I think may ano dito. So, double first in here. Pero, ano kaya? Wait, what if let's try adding decimals? Then, round ako. Yeah. So, I think may kailangan tayo sa dito. So, into float integers to fix. Um, okay. So, to fix daw. So, let x is equals to okay, w x that to fix one. So, let's try that. Okay, correct. So, submit. And it passed. Okay, so